Hey there, how you all are doing? So in this video, we will be talking about how you can integrate Stripe payment gateway with WooCommerce in WordPress. So in the last video, I have shown you how you can integrate to checkout payment gateway on your WordPress website for WooCommerce. So you can watch that video by clicking on the link that I have given in the description box. So here in this video we will be talking about how you can create an account in Stripe. How you can link your Stripe payment gateway to WooCommerce. Alright guys, so here I'm already logged in and I'll move on to the dashboard here. So first of all, let's go and install a plugin called as WooCommerce Stripe. Just go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on add new. Here you will need to search for WooCommerce Stripe. Alright, so when you search that, you will be getting this plugin over here. Just click on install and activate it. So you will need to install the plugin that is WooCommerce Stripe by WooCommerce. The author must be WooCommerce. Now let's go ahead to the settings and integrate it over there. So here you will need to click on enable Stripe, and then here you will need to put the title that will be displayed on the checkout page for the customer, like credit card. Here you will need to write pay via credit card or debit card. Here when you're done, you will need to enter your details, publishable keys and secret keys. So I have just created my account and I will enable my test mode, and I'll go to my dashboard over here and I will get my API keys. So here are my test API keys. This is my test API key, publishable key. So I'll copy this and paste it over here. Then I'll copy this as well, my secret key, and then paste it. So I'll paste my secret key over here, test secret key. So here you can write as paying for like you can write any statement for your payment. So paying for online course is online course. Here you will need to check this box, capture charge immediately. So like here, whether or not to immediately capture the charge. So I will check this box because I want to capture the payment immediately. Now payment request buttons, enable payment request buttons. If enabled, users will be able to pay using Apple Pay or Chrome payment request if supported by the browser. So yeah, by using Apple Pay you agree to Stripe. Alright, so I want to enable this. Alright, so here enable payment via saved card. Alright, so I'm done this and then I'll click on save. Now I will go ahead to my website and check the payment, test payment. So guys, this is where I am making a live integration, so maybe it will give some errors. So here I am on my checkout page already. So here it is giving an option called as pay via credit or debit card. So I'll just click on this and you will need to enter the details. So guys, here as you can see, the checkout that is Stripe checkout is already integrated. Now I'll just go ahead and activate the publishable live keys, and then we will test it over here live. So I'll just go to my Stripe dashboard and I will get my live API keys here. I'll just click to copy this and then I'll go here. I'll disable the test mode and I will paste the live publishable keys and secret keys. So when you click on a secret key, it will ask you why you want to reveal it, and you will need to provide a description. So I have given it and I have copied the secret key. I will paste it over here now. So I have pasted it now, and alright guys, so accepting payment on a website makes secure sure to enable HTTPS. I have enabled HTTPS on my website now. So I'll go to WooCommerce here, and then alright guys, so I'm done with all the settings. Then I'll click on save. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and test in the checkout page now. So as you can see, there's an option to pay via credit or debit card. So here you can directly make a payment. So this is how you can integrate Stripe payment gateway on your website with WooCommerce. I hope the things are clear. If something is not clear, please feel free to write back to me in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you. And if you want to create an account on Stripe, you can visit the link in the description box below. And if you have any doubts regarding any WooCommerce or WordPress, please drop your comment in the comment section. I will be very happy to assist you. Please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be getting new updates for you. Thank you.